Okay, my clove is ready after 3 hours. So here is it. Okay, clove is really good for natural hair. So some of the most commonly known benefits of clove for the natural hair are as follows. So I'm going to list it for you so you get to know what clove can do for your hair. So it promotes hair growth. Clove promotes hair growth. Note that. So if you want your hair to grow, if you want to keep a healthy natural hair, please apply this in your hair. So it also eliminates dandruff. You know, lack of moisture in the hair can lead to dry hair, which can either give you dandruff. So this particular clove, this is its clove. I don't know if you've seen it before. This is what it looks like. So clove provides moisture to the hair. It provides moisture to the hair. So if you keep using this, if you keep applying it in your hair, you get to have more moisture and your scalp will never go dry. So this is good for natural hair. Also, it fights scalp irritation, especially for people who have dandruff. So when the scalp remains dry for a long time, it tends to injure or even peel away soft surfaces from your head, so which leads to itches and even irritation. So you have to use this. It's very important. I use this quite often and I've used it for, I think it's more than 3 months now, and it's really good for my natural hair. It keeps the hair healthy and voluminous. Also, it prevents premature graying. For people who have gray hairs, different colors, I see that often. For a young lady with gray hair, if you want to get rid of it, this prevents gray hair, so use it quite often. Also, it prevents breakage. For people who have all the split ends and your hair is breaking, oh god, please try this. It's good for natural hair. I will keep trying it and I'll show you the results. My hair will be really bigger than what it is now, so I'll get to show you a lot of pictures of my hair soon. So try it out. I recommend this for every naturalista.